Hi friends, here is a very straightforward problem that came in IIT JEE 1999. We are given A1, A2 up to A10. These are in arithmetic progression. Similarly, H1, H2 up to H10 are in harmonic progression. Then A1 equals H1, which is 2, and A10 equals H10, which is 3. We need to find what is A4 and A4 times H7. Right. A1 to A10 and A1 is also given, A10 is also given. Right. These are in arithmetic progression. What does that mean? A2 is A1 plus D, A3 is A1 plus 2D, A10 is A1 plus 9D. Similarly, H1 to H10 are in harmonic progression. What does that mean? Reciprocals of this 1 by H1, 1 by H2, 1 by H3 up to 1 by H10. These are in arithmetic progression. Right. Let us use this to calculate what are these progressions. Right. So A1, A2, A10 are in arithmetic progression, right? We can write A2 is A1 plus D, A3 is A1 plus 2D, similarly A10 is A1 plus 9D, right? A1 is already 2, right? And A10 is 3. So that means 3 is 2 plus 9D. What does that mean? D is 3 minus 2 by 9. That is 1 by 9, right? We can just simplify this. Similarly, H1 to H10 are in harmonic progression. That means 1 by H1, 1 by H2 up to 1 by H10 are in arithmetic progression. That means 1 by H1 plus some other D, capital D, is 1 by H2. 1 by H3 will be 1 by H1 plus 2 capital D. Right. Capital D is the common difference in this sequence. Right. Similarly, 1 by H10 is 1 by H1 plus 9D. This D is different than this D. Right. Then what is 1 by H10? H10 is 3. 1 by H10 is 1 by 3. 1 by H1 is 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 should be equal to 1 by 2 plus 9D. What does that mean? 9D equals 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2, which is minus 1 by 6. That means D equals minus 1 by 6, and this 9 will come this side. So it is minus 1 by 54. Right. We know both the series now. Right. We know this series common difference. We know this series common difference. Now we want A4 and H7. What is A4? A4 is, what is A4? A4 is A1 plus 3D, right? D is 1 by 9 in this case. That is, A1 is 2, right? 2 plus 3D. 2 plus 3 into 1 by 9, which is 2 plus 1 by 3, which is 7 by 3, right? Similarly, 1 by H4 is 1 by H1 plus 1 by, we want 1 by H7. 1 by H7 is 1 by H1 plus 6D, right? 1 by H7 is 1 by H1 plus 6D. That is, 1 by H1 is half plus 6 into this D is minus 1 by 54. That is half minus 1 by 9. That is equal to 7 by 18. So H7 is, this is 1 by H7, right? That means H7 is 18 by 7. So A4 into H7 is 7 by 3 into 18 by 7. Right? This 7 will cancel. 3 goes 16. Right? 7 by 3 is this. A4. A4 is 7 by 3 and H7. H7 is 18 by 7. Right, guys? Very simple. Just applying very basic formulas that AN is A1 plus N minus 1 into D in both cases. Right, harmonic progression we just converted into arithmetic progression. Right, very simple problem. This came in IITJ 1999. Okay, guys. Thank you.